to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 1, 3rd chapter HCF and LCM, exercise 3.5 problems. Exercise 3.5, first problem. Find the HCF of the following in prime factorization and by continued division method. Solution. HCF by prime factorization, that is factor tree method. First problem A. 48 and 64 are divisible by 2, 4, 8, 16. So biggest factor is 16. Write 48 and 64 as multiples of 16, that is 16 into 3 and 16 into 4. Further 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Observe that 2 into 2 4 times are same in both of these factors. So product of these numbers 16 is the highest common factor. Now let us find out HCF by continued division method. For this, divide 64 by 48. 48 ones are 48. By subtraction we get remainder 16. 48 becomes dividend now. Remainder 16 becomes divisor. So 16 3s are 48. By subtraction we get remainder 0. So divisor 16 becomes highest common factor. Now second problem B. By factor tree method. 126 and 216 are divisible by 2, 3, 9 and 18. So biggest factor is 18. So write these numbers as multiples of 18 as 18 into 7, 18 into 12. Further, 18 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2, 7 is taken back, 18 and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Observe that 3 into 3 into 2 are the common prime factors in the prime factorizations. So product of these numbers is nothing but 18 is the highest common factor. Now let us do the same solution by continued division method. Divide 216 by 126. 126 ones are 126. By subtraction we get 90. Now 126 becomes dividend. 90 ones are 90. By subtraction we get 36. And 90 becomes dividend here. 36 2s are 72. By subtraction we get 18. Now 36 becomes dividend now. So 18 2s are 36. By subtraction we get remainder 0. So the divisor 18 is the highest common factor. Now let us do the problem of C. By factor tree method. 40, 60, 56 are divisible by 2 and 4. So highest factor is 4. Write these numbers as multiples of 4 as 10 into 4, 15 into 4 and 14 into 4. Further 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 15 3 into 5, 4 2 into 2, 14 2 into 7 and 4 2 into 2. So observe that 2 into 2 are the common prime factors. So product of these numbers is nothing but 4 is the highest common factor. Now HCF by continued division method. Divide 60 by 40. 40 ones are 40. By subtraction we get 20. Now 40 divisor becomes dividend. Remainder 20 becomes divisor. 22s are 40. By subtraction we get remainder 0. So now take 20 and 56. Divide 56 by 20. 22s are 40. By subtraction we get remainder 16. Now 20 becomes dividend and 16 ones are 16. By subtraction we get remainder 4. Now 16 becomes dividend. 4 4s are 16. Now the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, the divisor 4 is called the highest common factor. Observe that it is same in both the methods. Now take the problem D. By factor tree method. 10, 35, 40 are divisible by 5. So let us write these numbers as multiples of 5 as 5 into 2, 5 into 7 and 5 into 8. Observe that here 5 is the common prime factor. So we can say that highest common factor is 5. Now let us find out the solution by continued division method. Now divide 35 by 10. 10 3s are 30. By subtraction we get 5. Now 10 become divisor 10 become dividend and remainder 5 becomes divisor. 5 2s are 10. By subtraction we get 0. So take 5 and the third number 40. Now divide 40 by 5. 5 8s are 40. By subtraction we get 0. So the divisor 5 is the highest common factor. Is same in both the methods. Second problem. Two milk cans have 60 and 165 liters of milk. Find a can of maximum capacity which can measure the milk in two cans. Solution. Before going to the solution, observe the word maximum in the problem. It denotes that we have to find out highest common factor. So 60 and 165 are divisible by 3, 5 and 15. Highest common factor is 15, so write these numbers as multiples of 15 as 15 into 4 and 15 into 11. So 15 is the common prime factor. So maximum capacity of the can is 15 liters. Third problem. Three different containers contain different quantities of milk whose measures are 403, 465, 527 liters. What biggest measure must be there to measure all different quantities in exact number of times? Solution. Observe the word biggest in the problem. It denotes that we have to find out highest common factors. Let us do it by division method because these are big numbers. Divide 465 by 403. 403 ones are 403. By subtraction we get remainder 62. Now 62 6 are 372. By subtraction we get 31. 31 2s are 62. By subtraction we get remainder 0. Now take 31 and 527. Divide 527 by 31. 31 ones are 31. By subtraction we get 21. Take 7, 217. 31 7s are 217. By subtraction we get 0. So highest common factor is 31. So biggest measure is equal to 31 liters.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say Karmas.